Hello, thank you for joining. In this video I want to show you how to use yoga props. They help to feel the poses, alignments more naturally. Also very helpful in restorative poses in yin yoga. I have a yoga block, 2 bricks, also a yoga strap. At home you can use a belt, an eye bag for further relaxation, a little cushion, folded blanket, and a yoga bolster. I'll start with child pose. If you cannot reach your heels with your sit bones, it's very useful to place the yoga block or folded blanket or cushion. Even if you can reach, but hold the poses in yin yoga, we hold the poses for 5 minutes. It feels good. In standing poses, in triangle for instance, you can place your hand there and focus on the opening more. Also, extend warrior. You can place this brick outside your foot and place your hand there. It helps in balances. A half moon pose. You can choose the height. Also, for bends. You can use 2 bricks there to place your hands. In pigeon pose, you place the brick or block under your sit bone, or if your sit bone is higher, under your thigh. It helps to center there. Also place the forehead. In forward bend, seated forward bend, it's good to sit up on the brick or block to achieve more flexion there. It can help for you. Many things like placing the brick under your knee, also in yin yoga feels nice. If you have spare blocks, bricks, you rest your forehead. Strap, place over the foot and focus more on the length in your spine. And of course, folded blanket is good to place under your knees in some poses if you have sensitive knees. Final relaxation, shavasana or yoga nidra. If you have a bolster, it's great to place under your knees, better position for your lower back. You can place your head on the little cushion. Blanket, it not only gives you warmth, but also some sense of groundedness. The same with an eye bag. If you don't have yoga eye bag, you can use a folded scarf. So it's better to relax when it's dark for your eyes. Do you use yoga props in your yoga practice? Please leave your comments below. Thank you. See you soon.